Use this warm-up to boost your performance and to present your very best self. March in place. And now begin to slow down, feeling your feet lift off the floor, and when you lift off heel, ball, toe, and then put down toe, ball, heel. Slow the steps down and really get into the way your feet are standing on the floor. Now, find hip-width apart by going up from the second toe, through the center of the ankle, through the center of the knees, to the hip points. Roll your shoulders back and stand centered. And now lower your head, elongating the back of your neck as if you are trying to see your belly button. And now come up through center and look up. And don't scrunch the back of your neck, rather elongate the front of your throat. And now come back to center, and then bring your right ear to the right shoulder, pulling down with your left arm. And now come back through center, and now your left ear to the left shoulder, pulling down with the right arm. Make sure you keep breathing deeply and fully as you do this warm-up. And now come back to center and interlace your fingers behind you and push down and back to open up the chest and to deepen your breath further. And now give yourself a big hug and look down. Breathe into your upper back so you can feel the expansion. Inhaling and exhaling. And now release your arms and take the tips of your fingers and pat the top of your head, making sure that you oxygenate the blood and get the entire forehead and eyebrows rubbed, as well as your temples very gently, and down around your jaw hinge, and your cheeks, your sinuses, your nose, your lips, and your chin. And now make a small face and a large face, and an itty-bitty face and a huge face, and a tiny face and a big face. And now put your hands on your belly and take a nice deep breath into your hands. And exhale. Feel the belly expand when you inhale and contract when you exhale. And now this time, inhale, put your lips together and make the horse noise. And then inhale again and do the same thing. Put your lips together and make the horse noise. One more time, and horse noise. And now this time, inhale and motorboat noise. So you're going to vocalize to get the breath and the voice working together. And now release your arms and take a deep breath in and yawn. Ah, and again, yawn. Ah. And one more time. Ah. And now we are going to warm up our lips, teeth, tongue, and entire mouth and join it with the breath. To do that, we're going to do tongue twisters. The first is minimal animal. So say it with me. Minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal. Try it again. Minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal, minimal animal. As you get more facile with the tongue twisters, feel free to speed them up. The next one is red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Try it again. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. The next one, unique, New York. Unique, New York, unique, New York, unique, New York, unique, New York. Try it again. Unique, New York, unique, New York, unique, New York, unique, New York. And now, kinky cookie. Kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie. Try it one more time. Kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie, kinky cookie. And now our last tongue twister, rubber baby buggy bumper. Ready? Rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper. Try it one more time. Rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper, rubber baby buggy bumper. Good. Feel free to use this warm-up anytime you need to present or speak in front of people. If you want a refresher on how to breathe into your belly so that you can engage diaphragmatic breathing, please see that video. And remember, doing this warm-up will help you tell your stories better.